Versatile cooking and simple to use. Now you can enjoy great tasting fried food while preserving the taste with minimal fat. Philips Air Fryer removes fat, retains taste. Remove any packaging and ensure there's nothing in the basket or twin TurboStar plates. Open your air fryer basket and assemble the mesh bottom. Place your favorite food in the air fryer basket. Easy time and temperature settings. When the timer turns off, your food is ready. Preserves the taste you love, minus the fat. Let the appliance cool down completely before you start cleaning. Remove the fat reducer with a pair of tongs and pour the oil in a ceramic bowl. Clean the heating element with a cleaning brush. Wipe your air fryer using a soft, damp cloth. Find more recipes with Air Fryer app. There's always a way to make life better. Innovation and you.